everyone, I'm Lily. I'm 8. Today I'm going to read a story. The tale of the story is The Wolf's Doggy Day. A strong lone wolf crawled out of his den. The sun's first rays stretched across the sky. As he did every morning, the wolf would patrol the boundaries of his territory. He was making sure no other animals come near his den. He also watched for rabbits and mice, his favorite meal. In the afternoon, the sun began to drop in the sky. He rubbed against a tree to loosen the sharp spurs in his fur. He then jumped into a babbling brook to wash his copper coat. When the sun set, the wolf was ready to relax and have fun. He raced through the trees and sped to the top of a hill to join his friends. As the skies grew dark, he wrestled playfully with his wolf brothers. Together they chased lightning bugs. They swatted at the bright insect with their paws, and the bugs scattered. When the moon was at its brightest, the wolf threw back his head and let out a long, joyful howl. The next morning, the wolf spotted a rabbit munching on grass. He dove at the creature, but the rabbit was too quick. The wolf chased the rabbit around trees and across a wide field. The sun was high in the sky when the wolf finally gave up the chase. He leaned against a dry wooden fence. The wolf was gasping for breath. "You look tired, cousin," a voice called out. "I don't know why you work so hard. You could be living an easy life like me." The wolf looked up to find a dog peering at him through the fence. "What do you mean?" the wolf asked. "Okay, said the wolf. I'll stay. Hang around and I'll show you," the dog said. "Okay," said the wolf. "I'll stay, but I'm quite hungry. Let's go hunting first." "No need to hunt," said the dog. "Watch this." He strolled over to a door and whimpered loudly. A man came out and filled a bowl with food. "Not bad, huh?" said the dog. The wolf was impressed. The food was dry, but it was filling. The wolf scratched his itchy fur. "How do you get clean?" he asked the dog. The dog picked up a brush with his teeth and carried it to the man. The man brushed the dog's fur and removed the burrs and tangles. "Wow," said the wolf. "It is pretty nice here." The new friends curled up together for a nap. When they woke up, the wolf asked the dog when he was going to patrol his territory. The dog smiled at the wolf. "I don't have have to go on patrol, the dog said. The strong fence keeps all animals out. That evening, when the moon rose, the wolf felt a familiar happiness. He began to howl. "What are you doing?" asked the wolf. "I'm singing to the moon," the wolf said. "Try it." The wolf let out a wee strangle. The dog let out a wee strangle sound. "Don't worry, you'll get better," the wolf laughed. "Try again." But a tapping on the window made the dog snap his mouth shut. "We are being too noisy," whispered the dog. "Better stop." Wolf did not want to stop howling, but decided to follow the human's rule. In the nearby meadow, he noticed lightning bugs in the nearby meadow. "Come on," the wolf said. "If we can howl, let's chase fireflies and wrestle." The wolf leaped over the fence and ran toward the field. The dog hollered and tried to squeeze through the fence. Just then the door to the house opened. When the wolf trotted back to the fence, a heavy chain was now attached to the dog's collar. "I can't leave the jar," said the dog sadly. "Well, cousin," said the wolf, "you are given food and your human brushes your fur. You even have a fence to protect your leg. But your life was not for me. You have no freedom. I love my freedom and all that I have in the wild." And with that, the wolf threw back his head and howled loudly at the moon. The end. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.